What's going on, NR92 crew? I'm Logan McNeil, and today I'm going to show you a quick meal to make for when you're running a bit late for school. Today we've got ourselves some maple and brown sugar oatmeal. A delicious little treat. Now oatmeal is good for a few reasons. First off, it fills you up pretty quickly. It's great for cold days like we've been having the last few weeks. And like I said before, it's pretty easy to make. There are only a few steps. You just open the package, fill it with water, and that's it. So let's get into how to make oatmeal. There are a few ways to make oatmeal. Everyone has their own preference, but for today we're going to follow the instructions that are actually on the back of the package. For making it with a kettle, it's just to empty the package into a bowl. Like that, you can see the bowl, oatmeal's inside. Next it says to add about a half a cup of water, and I've added my cup here from the kettle. Got my water in, got the oats covered. And the next step on the ingredients says to stir. So I've got my stirring spoon, and now it says to let it sit for about 2 minutes. So we're gonna let it sit, and we're gonna come back to see what our finished product looks like. So it's been about 2 minutes now, and taking a look at the oatmeal, it hasn't thickened as much as I would have liked it to. The package, in my opinion, recommends too much water. Personally, I would add about as much water for the oats to suck it in, and it's more of a dry oatmeal. Let's take a bite. I've got it here. See it? Look at that. Way too runny. Let's take a bite. Okay, overall impression, 7 out of 10. And that's how you make a bowl of oatmeal. I'm Logan McNeil with NR92. Thank you so much for watching. And next time, I'll teach you how to make a cup of tea. Have a great day, everybody.